One of the cool things about video is movie magic, in that I'm actually filming this scene right now, which is sequentially the last thing that I'm going to do for today's video, because I filmed the rest of it already. And what I'm doing is actually doing a recap on the RifleSpeed Gas Control. If you aren't familiar with this product, this is a product that came in for evaluation about a year or so ago, and it is an adjustable gas block that requires no tool. So you basically grab hold of this thing and spin it to the desired gas setting and you're set. Well, one of y'all reminded me that I owe you a status update on the thing, and I just never did it. So although I have been using it quite substantially, if you've been watching the suppressor testing videos, then you'll have seen this thing in action. But what we're going to be doing in the next scene of the video is taking the thing apart and seeing just how it's doing. And what I'm out here to do right now is actually function check the gun to make sure that I put it back together properly. This is the RifleSpeed Gas Control in all of its glory, but here's the thing. My channel has already been demonetized because of a misinterpretation by activist reviewers here at the platform, so I don't think that I can actually show you the disassembly of this. Even more movie magic. The first most prolific component here is the adjustment knob, and I'll have some close-ups for you guys, but the finish looks just fine on this thing. I don't see anything that is of any consequence here, and all the numbering still looks to be in pretty good shape. Obviously, these come in a variety of lengths depending on what fits your particular rifle that you're putting it on, and they have a calculator on their website. All the teeth back here look like they're in pretty good shape. I don't see anything that indicates that there's a problem. Not that there would be, because this is external to any operating pressures. So there's the adjustment knob. The spring temper looks good. It doesn't seem to have anything that would give me pause. I don't see any cracks or anything, and that coloration that is on there was there from the factory. Now, these are the two components that would take some pressure. The ring that retains the plunger, and then the plunger itself. So I don't see any damage to the plunger itself. And the one thing that I would say is that there was a hunk of soot on the tip of this thing that basically broke off right when I took it out. There's a decent amount of soot buildup here. I'm gonna see if I can scrape some of that off. But yeah, see, it's coming off. At first I thought it might be deformation of the metal, but no, it's just soot that's built up from venting. Now onto the block itself, it looks to me, again, like everything is in pretty good order. I don't see any damage to the threads, not that there would be. There's some carbon buildup right in this region, as we would expect to flow around that plunger. The tube looks fine. The pin is still in place. If we flip this thing over and look at the set screws, the rock set is still in place for the set screws, so that doesn't seem to be a problem. And this has got a pin well, but this barrel was not drilled for a pin, so I left it. All in all, this thing looks like it's in a pretty decent shape. I don't see any indicator that there would be a problem with this thing. And I guess we'll just reassemble it and go out to the range to see if it works. Now, where on earth did I put those ads on my channel? Oh, well, that's embarrassing. Sorry about that, guys. One of the companies that has stepped in to help us recoup some of the lost ad revenue from the YouTube shenanigans is PowerTac, listed on our Linktree account that is in the description box down below, as well as our full affiliates page, where you guys can take advantage of good deals from companies that we trust. Thanks. And here we go. Into the berm. Needs to adjust down one. A little bit gassy. But that's one of the beautiful things about the gas control, is that I don't have to go get tools out to be able to make that adjustment. So I just did that. I'm going to grab a couple more rounds of ammunition and see if that fixed the gas in the face. Yeah. I bet you it'll even run one more. No. Oh, out of ammunition. Crap. Gonna go get another one. This is the stuff that we're running. The standard 223A range dynamics for Fiocchi. Did I leave my rifle in the truck? Yep. Oh yeah. yeah. That's the sauce right there. So yeah, RifleSpeed gas control is running great.